Inspire has. Like, while she's hacked, she doesn't heal when she hits new people,
No.
but the effect lingers from
The effect stays regardless if she's hacked, and continues to go on if she's attacking while she's hacked.
She's too OP to be hacked.
Yeah.
You can't hold her down.
You can't hack
do I
spirit,
play?
boys.
Bamboo, do you wanna?
What's the fun?
You wanna?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You wanna?
Ah, yeah.
Ay, ay, ay,
Ready for battle.
Alright, they have a Reinhardt, Zarya, Doomfist. Oh wait, that's you guys. Fuck. You switched teams, didn't you?
Yep.
Dang. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so we're holding on top of boat.
Fuck, was opening my food.
Wait. I stand right here. We ran Zarya here, right? Not Diva?
No, we usually run D.Va here, but it's fine.
They have Hanzo, Ana, Mercy, Ash.
That's my cover!
Hanzo, Ash. They have Hanzo, Ash, Mercy.
Christ, I can see. What are you talking about?
The Hanzo.
No,
They're just
the
broken barrels,
balloons.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see you without balloons, or with them.
No, cause if you hit the balloon,
Oh no!
it gets rid of the bullet.
They're going right?
Ash is on top. I'm hacking Zarya.
Oops.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, T-Cat.
Oh yes. Zarya one.
Zarya one.
Zarya one.
Oh,
Can't finish it. Ooh.
that was a fucking midair headshot.
Taking that shield, taking that shield, taking that shield. Test, contest,
Go.
testing.
Another one, no nade.
Nice.
Get Ryan.
I'm one.
I'm
Ryan's
on
dead.
Mercy,
Okay,
Mercy.
Zarya's gonna kill me.
Mercy.
Mercy's dead, Mercy's dead.
She's low. Yes.
Almost have EMP.
Why did that take so long? Almost got chance.
They still have the same comp.
Ash.
I'm just farming EMP right now. Oh, never mind.
Oh no!
Ryan's going left, Ryan's going left.
Yeah, we only have Anna heals.
I got
Oh,
one.
nice.
I need to get out though.
Okay, I'm contesting bottom left.
I'm dead.
I have EMP soon.
Low. I'll look for shadow here.
We're down
Yeah, he's
one,
the MVP.
careful.
Ow.
Down two.
Yeah.
I'm
Get this Ryan, get this
That's
Ryan.
back, so down one again.
Ryan one, Ryan
Oh
one.
my god.
Nice. You can
Come
push
back,
on.
getting back.
Point.
Ash is this?
Push out them right now.
I had the Mercy.
Okay, we don't need. Yeah, Mercy dead.
Have chance.
What if I
I'm just
had
gonna block
Bob?
this. I'm just gonna block.
Fine healing.
I had Bob.
Okay.
Wait, if you hack Bob, he does nothing? That's
Yeah,
actually
he just said nothing. I'm shooting again.
that actually
Kill me.
Please stays hacked for
I'm
like
healing.
5 seconds.
Yeah. Ryan's still a shadow. He hasn't used yet, right?
Oh my god, it's impossible to hack him. I hack Ana instead.
I got
Try to
an upper hand
hack
2
Ryan,
seconds.
try to hack
2 seconds. Ready? Upper hitting Ryan.
Yeah.
No, what the?
Wait, no. We're not gonna shadow. We're not
Ash on
shadowing
the
yet.
left side.
Why not?
Oh,
Not
the
yet.
Ash. So,
There you go. That's when you shot.
I had this area.
That's too far.
Too far.
Yeah,
I'm here.
Dev-
I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, we have grab.
They do too.
Okay, they use everything.
We don't have it anymore.
No, we
I
do.
have EMP.
No, I mean, but we did.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have it for the fight.
I got both supports.
Yeah, if you can.
No.
They got him.
I didn't want to ult, so.
Why didn't you follow with
I
Thomas?
tried to say Harambe.
Yeah, I uppercutted twice. It would have been fine.
It didn't look good.
Yep. Never mind.
They still had bubble.
I have EMP.
We can just meteor and grab here.
Yeah,
I need heals.
yeah. Pushing up on them, pushing up.
I'm asleep.
Tell me when you want EMP.
Helden sterben nicht.
Oh,
Now?
Do it now.
yeah,
Huge anti.
Oh, well,
yeah.
I'm already.
Mine's one.
Nice. Oh shit.
We didn't get mercy.
It's okay.
I don't know if we need an EMP, but
You can get
I don't know. I asked.
Mercy.
Is that Pac-Man?
Can I jump up here? Oh no, I can't.
Getting back. My shield's one, my shield's one.
Your anti.
My shield's one, my shield's one. Keep her asleep. Oh,
Onyx dead. I'm gonna die though.
yeah.
Mind if you get a nano, you.
It's just us though. It's just us though.
Almost there.
Four of us. Four of us.
Yeah.
وريهم قوتك.
Ryan's,
Ryan is gone, Ryan is gone, Ryan is gone. We can take him.
No, they bubbled. Is that Anna on right side? Anna on right side? Anna one right side?
I'm on her.
Hand low, he's...
I had the Zarya.
Yeah, I'm one.
reloading.
The Ash, get the Ash. Ash one. Ash dead.
This one.
Getting back.
I have EMP again.
Ash is getting rest.
Yeah.
Where's
I one. Dead. My shield's one. I'm getting back.
I had the. Oh shit. I'm going back.
Shield.
Your shield's
Ryan's
one.
the or no.
Oh, I'm one.
I have EMP guys. Tell me when you want it.
Taking out shield. My shield's broken.
We need EMP to fight.
Let's hide back. Hide first.
Next, like... Oh, wait. Be ready.
Thank you.
Do you want the EMP?
EMP Bob wave.
I thought.
I'm trying.
You didn't get Bob.
Full charge. Let's go.
Oh, you didn't get Bob.
Yeah, it didn't get Bob. Get Ryan.
This dragon. There it is.
I'm
I
boys.
won.
Yeah, we're not.
Hey, kill Mercy, kill Mercy.
Ash behind you guys.
Last fight already.
Oh
There's
no.
one.
That was...
Miles Medlin and on me. Behind you.
And
Want it now? Oh.
Yeah.
Too late.
Shot.
You got headshotted.
I really need to switch, but I'm close to ult, so...
Yeah, you can go for a grab.
Maybe we can go Diva instead of Zarya since.
After
Should
grab.
I wait for?
Yeah,
Should I wait
grab
for
first.
last?
After grab. Use
Okay.
it
I
after you use
just
your
thought
grab.
about this.
Do I wait till last 30 or just get it? Use it when I get it.
Use it when
Use it when you get it, so I can
a
switch.
fight to do it.
But-
Okay.
Like, don't
The-
just do
The
it.
Strandheart he sends
Yeah,
is
let me-
too high. Cannot hack
Yeah.
him. Oh nice.
Let's go, dude! Run low.
I had
Yeah. Dead.
Let's go, Hanzo.
There's no rest.
Hanzo
Oh,
one,
no.
no.
Oh, get back. Don't die.
Unfortunate.
Okay, so we have grab.
I'm
We have
ready for
grab.
grab whenever.
Stay alive.
Give me a second before you.
I'm fine.
Back.
Bamboo's not here. Be careful.
Yeah, still get back. Back.
Огонь по готовности.
No, we're not.
I need to commit to it.
What? I had.
Yeah,
What?
we gotta use it
I-
now then. Yeah, we weren't ready yet. We were down still.
You
Sorry.
should have done that without me. That's why I went to the bottom left. I thought we were gonna grab
I
some.
Back up!
Okay. Go diva. Don't go outside yet. We'll wait until everybody's here.
Hey.
You still have shadow? Okay, I'm going now.
They have grab.
Yeah.
Pause asleep.
Honest dead.
I
Or
had him.
On his engine.
new
I
characters.
said
Whatever.
I ate so much damage. Get the mercy. Nice. We win this. Just run.
What is that new character? Ash. Okay. I was like Anna. I can't think of her name.
Well, why am I?
There we go.
Sorry, I had line of sight and then Reinhardt put up his shield.
It's okay.
You guys know what you're playing for this side?
Yeah, we're gonna run to.
I
Hey,
two
hey.
things. Hi,
Hi.
that's
Okay.
me.
Then I will ask you after.
I was gonna say, you determine when you want to EMP. You don't need to keep asking the team when they want EMP. Just use your best judgment and tell them that you're going.
Okay.
And also, you've gotten a lot better at playing Sombra, Kairos. I want to emphasize that whoever our Sombra player is, whether it's Kairos or TCAT, I want you guys to really exercise being a constant source of information on the enemy team. Because you have literal perma stealth and you can follow them around everywhere. You can see, you have wall hacks for when they're low health, so the information you have is invaluable, and it's up to you to convey that to the rest of your team so they can formulate the plans on their side as well. So the Sombra player should ideally be constantly talking, and the rest of the team, you guys really need to listen to your Sombra player when they're relaying important information.
Okay.
Yes. One thing I just wanted to pick, and I'll do later in fodder view. Miles, your position on first point, on the first push, was really bad. I don't care about the sightlines or anything. You're by yourself and you gave away your position, but I'll go in more detail
It's
about
scrim,
it
that's the
later.
point of trying out things.
It's you should never mind.
It's aggressive and danger.
Alright, we're gonna go up and
Okay.
in.
Yeah. Right side, right side, right side, right side, right side, right side.
Wait
Right.
for me!
Yeah, keep going right side. Tracer's on us.
Tracer's
No,
low.
she left.
We separate.
Yeah, steady together, steady
Wait,
together,
where are
steady
you
together. Downstairs, downstairs, downstairs,
I'm at the beginning
downstairs.
back here.
Right side, right side. Okay. Get ready, looking for target, looking for target.
Ana,
See, Ana,
Ana.
Ana, Ana,
Yeah,
Ana.
Ana.
Ana one.
Nice, Ana's dead.
I need heals behind!
Diva
Diva
low.
one, Diva
Nice.
I'm point, I'm point, I'm point.
Help with
Here
you.
for
Should
yours.
be.
Monkey one, monkey one,
Just
monkey one.
Susho, just
Get monkey,
Susho.
get monkey, monkey.
Get the
Monkey one, monkey one.
Ah,
Ah, okay.
Oh no.
Monkey was on me. So. And I throw the grenade.
Yeah, monkey. Okay. Regroup. Go again. Okay.
He was back, so.
Okay, we're all here, we're all here.
In
Right side, right side, right side.
I don't think we need to bother going all the way
Yeah,
around.
we don't need to go all the way around. We can
Okay,
just,
okay.
just go to the right of point.
Okay, okay,
We're
okay.
going left. We're holding top left where Price
Yeah.
was last night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tracer's
And jump on the Lucio, jumping on the Lucio.
Tracer,
And Ana.
Help me.
Ana Lucio on top, on boat, on boat. Ana no nade,
I don't
on
know.
boat.
I can't see.
Monkey. Monkey
yes,
dead.
got him.
Ana's lower boat.
Oh, what the hell? Tracer on me. Tracer sip. Okay, got him. You get.
But
Tracer one.
Is it winnable? Do one. Dead. Is this winnable?
No.
It's not.
No.
Okay, I'm getting out if I can. I'm
switched
not gonna
to
pop my ult. I'm not
Mercury.
gonna pop my ult.
Okay.
they have Doom and
Because we're missing too many free opportunities on kills. We slept Tracer and there was no one there.
maybe you can switch to Break and something.
I've
Go
done it.
right.
Okay, I'm back.
Right side.
Someone
left,
is top right, someone is top right.
I think
Yeah.
Doom.
I'm gonna go this way.
I'm on point. I'm gonna jump on boat. Jumping on boat right now. On Ana. The D1. Diva 1. Still one.
Uh oh.
Jump on Lucio.
Oh, my bad.
Lucio 1. Lucio still 1 HP. Did Lucio go?
You anti.
Yeah. I vote.
Lucio low.
Lucio one.
Killed Doom on the point. There's one. Nice. Lucio.
Oh, he's gone.
Nice.
You're slow
Ana's
with
on
you.
top. Ana's on top. Okay, no one's with me. Okay, getting back.
They're on top.
Yeah. Here. And Diva.
There with him.
Lucio.
The Ana.
Doom.
The Doom. Division.
Oh shit. What?
Get him back. In bubble.
Building.
Yeah. Yeah, we can't save you.
I sit monkey, I sit monkey.
Yeah. Helping you with Lucio, helping you with Lucio. Get Lucio, get Lucio, get Lucio, get Lucio.
Lucius half.
Monkey one, monkey one.
Half.
There's ammo. Focus monkey, focus monkey, focus monkey, focus monkey.
One monkey still.
Monkey less than half. Monkey bomb is a
Monkey one, monkey
jump.
one.
Nice, dead. Lucio, Lucio, Lucio.
I ate her bomb.
Lucio one, Lucio one, Lucio one, Lucio one, dead.
Nice.
On diva, 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 diva. Focus diva, focus diva, focus diva, focus diva. No, I couldn't get out. I should just pop my health. Let's push cut. Yeah.
I'm going high ground.
I'm just gonna start without.
Healing. Thanks.
There's a baby dealer behind.
Don't be.
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, different,
I sit
different.
I sit Ben.
Oh no, you suck.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I didn't get a bubble.
Was it
Lucio,
I didn't even see him uppercut me.
Lucio, Lucio, Lucio.
Diva right side.
No, just kill. Let's regroup.
We can go high ground.
Okay, let's go left. Go far left, far left.
But Doomfist is waiting on top, so careful.
Up. Yeah, this is dead.
Oh, nice stun.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump and then use prime on.
Break shield, break shield. Oh shit.
Lucio,
What the hell?
Lucio.
I'm not there.
Lucio one. Push Lucio
Oh, I
away.
headshot the. I got the pillar.
Foxing me, they're foxing me. This move point, this move point. Come back.
Monkey still, monkey still.
Yeah. I'm monkey. We have nano, we have nano. I'm dead. Coming up. The diva one. Oh, please let me survive this time. For Lucio. One. Okay, we nano.
Doom's low,
Doom,
Doom's
Doom.
low.
There's dead. Yeah, one shot. In touch.
Oh my bad.
Yeah, there's a touch.
But there was someone with me.
Was it one?
There's one.
Huge anti.
So who
Even
continues?
one, even one.
Yeah. I'm back. I got stuck! Got another sun barrier. Jumping up. I can stall.
There's no recall.
Diva is one. No.
Dead.
No.
Let's try.